This is the original super napier. It is only 1 week and a half, and actually this is the first cutting. So we are expecting a bumpy harvest in the second cutting. As you can see, it is very sprouting and very vegetative, as I said. And I know most people are wondering why have we left a lot of spaces, because we say that super napier is a heavy feeder. So by the time we cut on the third time, we shall add manure. So we need a way for the roots, and that is why when you look at it, you can see it is very vegetative. We have enough cutting for the farmers, whether for the 1 acre, 2 acre, 3 acre, 4 acres. If you order, we shall deliver. But we are ordering, we are advising farmers to buy their own seedling, whether you buy the minimum, which we are saying 100 cutting, for your farm, just to help you make your own seedling. But we also advise farmers that you need 625 cutting to do 1/8 of an acre. You also need 1,250 to do 1/4 of an acre. You also need 2,500 cutting to do half an acre, and you need 6 or maybe 5,000 to 6,000 cutting to do an acre. And as we said, the reason why super napier is good is because of the crude protein in it. It's 18 if harvested at 1.5 meter. But for us, because this is a breeding farm, actually, the reason we cut a lot is because we had an order from Zambia, and that is why we have cut many, because they bought a container. We still have the seedlings, which is this one. They are overgrown, and as you can see, my men are there preparing cutting for Somalia. And if you look at it, it has not yet flowered. Yeah. Yes, because of the manure. If you put a lot of manure, the flowering will delay. Yeah, you can look at it. Yes. And when we are preparing the cutting, you can see we are using scatuas. Scatua is a scissor-like, because we don't want to. We want you, when you buy our seedling, you get 100% germination. And this is what we are talking. You can see, and we prepare them, and then we do a pre-germination at the request of the customer if they want. But also, if you don't want a pre-germination, we provide a hormone called HB101 that is to help you on 100% germination. So farmers, please order super napier cutting. We are selling the cutting at 50 shillings a cutting with 2 knots, and we have set a minimum order of 100 cuttings amounting to 5,000. And also, we also advise farmers that you need 625 cutting to do 1/8 of an acre, as I said earlier. So farmers, super napier is the game changer for the dairy, for the livestock farmers, and we believe that it is a wonderful glass that will help farmers in Kenya, just because of the protein. You know, the most expensive product in Kenya is protein. So please order super napier. We have the original super napier pakchong1. When I say pakchong, there is PAKCHGONG. That is pakchong, but you can call it pachong. Pachong is also a good name for it. So please, customer, let's order. This is just 1 week. This is just 1 week and a half, and I want to tell you, it's wonderful order. Welcome, customer. Number to call is 0715-124053. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Mukulima Bingwa, or Governor Muremi in Facebook. But when you go to YouTube, you can subscribe to you can subscribe to Mkulima Bingwa. Mkulima Bingwa. If you go to Mkulima Bingwa, you'll see even the demonstration on planting, the many farms that we have entered in many counties in this country, and the recent one was in Nyamira. So we have wonderful lesson for the farmers in the Mkulima Bingwa, that is including the making of machicha, mixing your dairy meal, and also we have a lot like how to do dairy farming in a simpler way. But we also caution farmers that please go for original super napier, pakchong1. Thank you, comrades. Waiting to hear from you.